Welcome to the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. This is another update that I want to show you. This is November 22, 2024, and I want to show you the updates that is currently going on. Men are even walking. You can see trailer moving left and right on this coastal road. Welcome you to Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. Now that you have seen the road tour and the updates on this amazing Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, we have a property just opposite to this amazing Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. I will be glad to help you to invest right here in this place. One of the places that you can buy property right here in Nigeria is a property that is closer to the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, or property that is facing the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road directly. So if you are looking for a property to buy there, I got one for you. The price is 50 million naira, but we are doing a promo for you that between now and December 2024, you can grab a plot right here or more at the rate of 12 million naira of the land costs. Now I will put more details on your screen so you can see the details of this property. I welcome you to Eminence Luxury Estate. This property is titled Register Survey and the government allocation COO is in view. Very soon the documents will be out, and by the time it will be out, the price will go up beyond the current price right now. Don't need to wait till then. And the features you will enjoy if you are buying a property that is closer as the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, we have amazing features, and we also have landmark. The landmark at the Dangote refinery. We have the Eleko beach here. We have the proposed Lekki International Airport. We have the Kellogg company. We have Lekki Freeway zones just few minutes away from here. These are luxury landmarks that you need to get at least 1 plot, 2 plots, 3 plots, or even an acre right here at the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. I will be glad to help you to invest in properties around this location if you are looking for properties to buy around the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. Give me a call right now to help you to invest right here in Eminence Luxury Estate. If you want to invest in real estate, the best time is right now. Give me a call now to help you to invest right here in this amazing location. Invest in real estate right here. Call me now to help you get started. Bye.